Hey guys, Chris Mining here with an update on my RX 580 mining rig. So I recently picked myself up a couple of these armor cards. I actually didn't get them at the scalper price, got them at a reasonable 140 GBP each, which isn't too bad. But one of the biggest issues I've had with the Asus B250 mining expert board is I just can't seem to get any more cards to power. I mean, I was assuming that it was the PCI risers choice. Maybe having separate, different risers might have made a difference. But this is one of the risers that I was actually using that wasn't working. But if I spun it over, now I did take the form off prior to this, so I don't think I already had it like that. But as you can see, a few of those solvents are quite a few bits, so one's darker, so I'm assuming that these are burnt out risers. Which is a bit of a shame. After trying different, risers and things like that, I've tried to use, different, sort of power supplies, server power supplies, keep it running and things, along the sort of lines, but nothing seems to get this board to boot, further than 3 GPUs. I mean, assuming that, these are working cards, which, like I said, I have had this board running, I have had it, showing on the screen, showing all 4 GPUs basically, but then once that I start the actual benchmarking to get to the actual DAG creation, it just shuts it down. But as we're here for the profit, so let's take a look at the profitability of this RX 580 rig. And there's only got 2 GPUs, as I've said, running in this rig at the moment. So that's the current profitability. I have seen this rig go off roughly around about 5 to 6 GBP per day. But if you do like to see videos like this more often, please make sure you do drop us a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And let me know what you'd like to see more and things like that. And maybe a little bit more feedback. Maybe any advice on actually fixing this GPU and actually maybe getting more than 2 GPUs running at a time stably. Is it a power issue? Is it the risers? I'm pretty much lost at this point. I mean, I've been looking all over Reddit. So maybe you guys have a little bit of a different clue. Maybe, like I say, check out the risers for me. That's the armor cards. That's the RX 580 rig, and that's the profitability in 2020.